Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Display right away. Following that, select Display Size and Text and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you finished, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!